This is Darius from therabbitpad.com, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort dates by the month in Google Sheets. By default, if you sort a list of dates that include the month, day, and year, Google Sheets is actually going to sort it by the year. If you want to sort it by the month, this is what you do. You're going to use the text formula, and that is equal text, so T-E-X-T, then a parentheses, and then in the number slot, you're going to place the cell that you want to change, which is B1, and then you're going to put actually B2, and then you're going to put a comma, and then in the format, you're going to type the format that you want the text to appear. And here you would put a quotation mark, and then MM for month, and then a slash, and then a DD for day, and then close the quotation marks and close the parentheses. You can see a preview of what it's going to look like here at the top. So now Google Sheets sees this as 04/12 versus an entire date. If you want that data to extend to the end of your table, you highlight that cell, then you hover your cursor over the dot until you see the plus sign, then you drag it down to the last cell. Now you see all of the dates in month/day format. From there, you want to sort the entire table. So highlight all of the cells that contain the data that you want to sort, then click on data, then click on sort range. And here it only gives you the option of sorting by column A. So you want to click advanced range sorting options. Then in sort by, you want to click on that and select column C because you want to sort the information by column C. And I'm going to do A to Z, which will put the smallest number first and the biggest number last. So January will be first and December will be last. Select sort, and now the table has been sorted by the month. So when you are looking to see whose birthday it is during the month of July, you can just look for the 07, and then you'll see that Silas's birthday is on July 30th. Once you are done sorting, you can simply delete everything in column C, and now you have a complete table with a list of birthdays arranged by the month instead of by the year. So this video showed you how to sort a list of dates by month in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please click that like button and subscribe to this channel to view more videos in the future. Also, please be sure to visit my website at therabbitpad.com.